Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now I'm generally excited to do unboxing videos, but for this particular coin I'm super excited because for me personally it has been a long time since I held a China Panda in my hand. I do love the People's Bank of China products. I love the tradition behind all of the Panda series and every little attention to detail about this product I love. First of all, the certificate. Everything that's gone into this. It tells you a story, it takes you on a journey, and it almost transports you to somewhere else. And I really, really love all of the thought that goes into each and every aspect of this product. I mean, for example, look at the coloring there and the graphics used. There's so much tradition and pride, and I really, really do love that. There we have our little sticker on the back from the People's Bank of China. Very nice. This particular coin is the 150 gram silver proof coin. Pop that back in there. Love how they add that pocket. Let's get into it. Now, I'm super excited, of course, because as I said, it's been a long time since I had a panda in my hand. Love the cutout there matching the capsule, by the way. But it is the first time. It's a premiere. It's the first time that these coins, the panda coins, have been done with iridescent coloring. And you can see that in the top right. It's almost hypnotic, to be honest with you. It is just beautiful, and personally I think it's such a nice addition to an already beautiful series. Pandas are always popular worldwide, and that iridescent color just adds something so subtle to it. Of course, you can see the obverse there, 2023, but back to the reverse, folks. We've got all the details on there. 150 gram, as I said, 39 silver and 50 yuan. But just look at those leaves. It's not overdone either. It's just, as I said before, a subtle addition to an already beautiful design. You've got those two pandas staring lovingly into each other's eyes. Very cute. They're always so cute. I've always had a special soft spot for pandas, I have to say. They just look so sweet. They can be vicious, but mostly let's just think of the sweet side, shall we? And they have been encapsulated really well into this product. Speaking of encapsule, I cannot get this coin out of the capsule, folks. So these gloves today are just for show. I've tried, trust me. But with a product like this, you don't want to try too hard because I'm very reluctant to keep going and then damage the product itself. Especially since it is a premiere. It's a world first with this iridescent coloring. So it's quite very special. And yeah, it's just beautiful. So if you're interested in this, there is 30,000 of them out there. I'm going to bring in a new product now. You may also be interested in it. So if you'd like to see more, perhaps some more gold, check out part 2.